So today I want to teach you a formula, and it's a formula that's inspired by this. I call it the 60-second script. It is a way of producing YouTube video ads that say and do the right things to turn a stranger into a ready-to-buy hot prospect that wants to buy your coaching or your courses. And I'm going to break the whole thing down for you in today's video. You're going to absolutely love it. Firstly, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is John Penberthy. I'm the founder of a marketing education company called AdClients.com. We've done well over $15 million in online sales, selling coaching and selling courses. And we've learned a thing or two, and we share it all here on the channel, so don't forget to subscribe. And in today's video, I want to talk about specifically YouTube video ads. Okay, if you've followed me for any time at all, you know we love them. We are running YouTube ads all the time. We spend about $100,000 a month on those ads, and we return a phenomenal amount. It's about 3 or 4x. We do $300,000 to $400,000 every single month, and it all starts with those YouTube ads. And I boiled it down to a formula. After doing over $15 million online, you can really cram everything you need to into 60 seconds. And they're very powerful ads, and if you're not already using YouTube, you should really be taking it seriously, and I'm gonna give you a head start right now. So here's how the 60-second script works, and you're gonna have to deal with the fact that I struggle to draw a straight line, okay? We've got 0 seconds here and we've got 60 seconds here. The first thing you need to understand about how the YouTube ad platform works that's very different to other social media platforms is that you're actually interrupting someone's video, right? Like you're actually popping up over the top of something they want to watch. So your initial hook has got to be really good. And your initial hook has to make sure they understand that they are watching a video that's actually tailor-made for them. Otherwise, they're going to hit skip very, very quickly. Well, not before 5 seconds because it doesn't allow you to do that, but as soon as it appears, they're hitting that skip button. So we have the first, it really is broken up into 3 sections, and the first section is all about the hook. This first 10 to 20 seconds is actually calling out exactly who it is that you help. We have found this to be the most effective way of doing this. So if I'm looking for coaches and course creators, I will literally say it in my hook. I'll say, hey, real quick, if you sell coaching or courses online, that's going to be the first thing I say. I'm calling out the audience, and then I want to relate to their pain, and I'm going to do that in the same first section. So hey, if you sell courses or coaching and you are struggling to find a traffic strategy that is reliable in turning strangers into clients. All right, so I've attacked a pain point there after calling out exactly who this is for. So that's the first section. The second section is now introducing yourself and revealing that you have the answer to their problem. So we'll move into the next section by saying, well, listen, I figured out how to do this. I struggled for years trying to land clients online. It wasn't until I figured out how to use YouTube ads in a very specific way to where I was able to start landing clients within 24 hours from running those ads. And I want to teach you how I've been able to do that. And then we move into the third and final section, which is where we introduce what it is that we have for them and invite them to come check it out. Whether that's a lead magnet, registering for your webinar, coming and checking out your free training, whatever the case may be, this is where we say, and I'd love to teach you how you can do this. I've got a system, I break it down A to Z, and I've put it all into this webinar presentation. I'd love for you to check it out. Click the link somewhere on or around this video, check out that webinar, register for it, and I'll see you there. So that would be the final section. That's it. That's the formula boiled down. Call out exactly who you want and attack their pain points that's going to hook them in. Address the fact that you know what those pain points are like and you now have the solution. And finally, give them a detailed call to action. Explain exactly what they're going to get on that next page, what they can expect, and that would make them feel far more comfortable when they make the click. If this has been helpful, I actually want to give you the full blueprint. It's the 60-second script. We've put it into an infographic here for you where literally step 1, step 2, step 3 is broken down with examples and cues and exactly what you need to say and do. This has been single-handedly responsible for well over $10 million in online sales. It's my free gift to you. Enjoy it, use it, and let me know if it's helpful for you. Come back here in the comments. There's a link in the description box down below where you can get access to that. That being said, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, give it a like. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm putting out great content like this a couple of times a week. And if you subscribe, you won't miss anything. If you like this training, you probably like this one as well. So go check that out, and I'll see you in a future video.